It is a bit sketch. God, look at this mess. This is up to my knees. Holy cow. God. Friggin' insane. Alright. Yeah. Dispatch, go ahead. I think he already said I can't think. I just think to go around my head. Sorry, 04, I didn't copy. We're out here winching a vehicle in high winds. What was your traffic?
That's coming through again. They're requesting a long screwdriver and having us come out again. I tried one of the lockout bar pieces that was long enough and it wasn't doing it, but it is coming up again.
10-4, if you don't feel like it's something we can handle, we can deny that one. Felt horrible. I thought this is twice. I thought I grabbed my snow gear and I've got everything except headgear, which is like the most important. And my ears are exposed. It's so cold you get frostbite in like a couple of minutes out here. Do I have any cloth or anything I can wrap around my head? I don't think we have anything. Shit. So to try to move it all? No. Okay.
I told her we're gonna go ahead, go around the block and try to get it out. That car is sitting in neutral right now. It's not going anywhere, but it is in neutral.
Okay. We do have one more good green tow rope. So what I'm thinking, if we do soft shackles on each wheel and then connect the tow rope like we did that first Jeep, that will allow us distance so that we're not grabbing the bumper, I'm thinking.
Okay.
And then we'll just try to slow and steady pull it forward. That'll probably be easier than trying to shovel everything.
Yeah, I had to shovel that side. I didn't realize how caved in it was.
Yeah.
So let's go shut the back real fast.
Okay.
Shut the back?
I'll shut it for you. You need to warm up.
I told her to sit back in our truck where it's warmer at.
Yeah, that's smart. Soft shackles, yeah, let's do that first. Wait. We might be lucky. Hold up. I see something that looks like a hook. This almost looks like a tow point. See what I mean? Oh, yeah, that's welded into the frame. We got a tow hook.
Okay, let me go get some.
Hell yeah. We can run straight into it too.
What I'm going to do is once we are ready to move, we're going to tell everyone clear the radio comms, stand clear for...
So we can communicate.
So me and you can communicate because I have to drive that thing out of here.
Okay. God dang it. I'll be able to help in a second. Here you go. More? I think we're out of line. Huh?
That's enough for it.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't feel my ears again. Fuck. Just warm up for a second.
I know. That's what else does need to.
I can't even bend my gloves.
Luckily, we found that tow point. Do we have a hook?
What do you mean a hook?
Do we actually have like a hook point? Or do we want to run that pink thing through it?
Yeah, run the pink thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Did you see what I was talking about?
Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah,
I
just...
I don't have no feeling in my fingers.
Oh, you're good. We'll warm up first. And then, yeah, we would just undo the hard shackle, the pink thing. Yeah, undo the hard shackle, the pink thing, and then attach it, screw it back in directly. And then at that point, we should probably radio communicate and then have you in the car until you're able to go.
Okay. Ride or die, right?
You got your radio?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have my phone, okay? My radio.
Okay, plan. God, I can barely feel my face again. Green. Okay, let's do green tow rope. We're gonna have to connect the green tow rope. You can put this shackle back on the winch cable.
Okay.
And then we'll just clip to it and then tighten it up. Okay.
Okay, so the green rope will not hook around the tank.
So shackle it through.
Oh, like open up the tank, flip it through, and then...
Yeah, however you need to do it's fine.
Yeah. No, that makes sense.
Thanks, Bear.
Okay, the only way I was able to do it is the block piece. I had to slip it through that. That was the only way to get it to connect. But it's all connected.
It's connected? Okay.
Yeah, so let's do it.
Okay. I'm good. Okay, I see it.
Okay, I'm gonna hop in the car, and I'm gonna have it in drive.
Okay.
And you just keep trying to do it.
Dispatch all units, clear air traffic. We're going to be communicating on this frequency for a winch call for a second.
O2 to 01, you ready?
10-4.
Let's go.
What's that?
Let's go. Okay, you want to hold it there, and then you go ahead and hop in the vehicle?
Yeah, 10-4.
Copy.
Okay.
Hold. Okay, I'm stuck again. Go ahead and either do what you were doing or winch it out.
Okay, stand by. I'm going to kick the winch back in. Hold on.
Copy. Holding.
10-4.
Ready.
Go ahead.
Let's go ahead and warm up, and we're good to bring this home.
10-4. I'm going to call her and let her know we're
So we need her to drive
to drive us in.
and then you follow her, I follow you.
Okay, once we unhook, close the back hatch, we'll talk to them and then tell them to lead us to the house, and I'll follow them.
That sounds good. Those gloves are now soaked.
Oh wait, I gotta hook it back on here. Gosh, it's so fucking cold. For now, we're just going to throw this back here since it's so cold.
Okay, she's already heading that way.
Okay, I'll just follow her. I need a hood like yours.
This one is the feather jacket, so it's warm.
I need one of those.
Okay.
So much.
You're very welcome.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, just like that, you're good to go.
Okay. Thank you.
You're so
You're welcome.
You will be careful, okay?
Yes.
We will try.
Stay warm.
Yeah, you're just-
Oh, I know.